Hello, good morning one and all. I'm Phani Kumar, working in ARCI for past 11 years. Actually, basically our organization comes under Department of Science and Technology. We have different COEs, 10 COEs situated at Hyderabad and 2 COEs in Chennai. We are from Taramani, behind to IITM Madras. And coming to the ARCA, that as Dr. Narasimhan mentioned, that we are initiated this R&D center in IITM Research Park with a motto of producing a technology which is very useful for the lithium battery. And we started our developing technologies since 2012 onwards, and we have matured the technology by doing our own indigenous way. We have the technology what we have done in our ARCA has been transferred to one of the Bangalore company. It's called Ensure Power Solutions Private Limited. This is the mandate of our ARC is that anything which significantly you take right from the scratch, you develop the technology, and that technology you have to be transferred to the other partners in different modes. Coming to the battery, that we have a pilot plant setup, which we have. It contains two kind of dry rooms. One works under 30% humidity, other works under less than 1% humidity. And we have complete right from the mixing of the material to the at the end product. We can do it in our pilot plant scale. Right now, so far, what we have done so far is with the commercial materials which we procure from different parts of the world. Then with that, we made our own indigenous technology, and that has been transferred to the Bangalore, as I mentioned, or Bangalore company. And we are also looking for few more people, and also some more companies are in the pipeline right now. They are also looking after our technology right now. What the technology means, see what indigenous we develop right from the, as I mentioned, right from the electrodes, and then electrodes to the next process like a calendering, slitting, winding. I think few people are aware of how actually cells will be developed. Then the final, in terms of a single cell, then a module pack. Until that stage we can do, and beyond that we'll give to third party. They will be doing the other exercise. This is about the ARCA, and we have been doing the battery technology in our center. And also we do have other technologies like magnets, neodymium iron boron magnet that is being developed at our center, and we are into thermoelectrics. It's completely under completely R&D under Department of Science and Technology. So this is about ARCI. Thank you.
Thank you, Phani.